Hello guys, let's check today the starter motor is working or not. Okay, you can see here neutral light and battery light also blinking. Okay, let's check it. You can hear the noise, but the motor is not cranking. So let's check it in the back side. I need help to someone to crank it. Okay, wait. Okay, now I'm going to check this by this testing lamp. I will ground here earth, and also I will touch it here, and I need someone to crank it or start it. If the current is the power is passing here, problem is not in the motor, meaning that means problem in the solenoid. Whether the problem in the solenoid or motor, we'll check it first. Current is coming or not, we have to check first. You can see it's blinking, so current is passing here, power. Yes, and also I have to share with you something about this motor. I will never remove this cover and other parts. I'm going to remove this bolt and removing from here. Okay, it's easy to do this. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect the wire and mounting bolts and mounter and everything. I'm mounting this. This is the mount. you can see guys, the armature has damaged, and also see this, there's nothing. I can show you the new one. There's nothing, you see the brush. We have to change this, and also armature also problem. Okay, let's see there's nothing completely. So have you seen the razor? It's also broken, but we will not change it. I'm just going to lubricate it and reuse it again. I think you will not hear noise now. Now it's lubricated. It's good now. Guys, you can see the commutator has cleaned. Now I have cleaned by sandpaper. The number is 400. Okay, but I think so it's not clean, but you can see the bend here. You see, I can feel it, the bend. It's not good. I'm going to use the drill machine and clean up this. It's mean I'm going to remove this all black mark, and also should be perfect. I have here a soft file, and I want to shape this. Okay, let's see how to do it. A little bit now. Okay, it's good now. We can reuse it. There's a screw nut. you can see it, the head is broken also. Okay, let's break it. Guys, I have removed it, but you can see it's broken. See another one, and also this one. You see the broken bolt? This is the one, and this is the other one. As you can see, I got a small bit to drill it. I have to do this carefully. Guys, I'm going to drill it from here, and it will come from here completely. I'm going to drill, and then I will use a bigger than this bolt, and I can fix it. I'll try. Okay. Yes, it's also broken. You see, it's broken. It's okay. It's broken, but I made hole. You see from here, this bit is little bit big. I can use a big bolt. See, I found a bigger bolt and nut also. for this. Now you can see we prepare this also, and then we have prepare this, and also now we have to clean this. If you have kerosene oil or cleaning any materials, you can clean it. You can see now it's very clean. Also this. This new spare parts for start motor. Then we have here everything. You can see. First we have to fix this, and you can see the plastic. I think missed one of O-ring here. When I removed, I didn't find out. Washer and this nut. Okay. Now we have to fix this brush holder. You can see this cut. The big bolt is coming here like this. So now we're going to fix like this. Have to bend it like this, and see, this is the method, and this is coming inside here. See, I'll show you again, like this. And then you can see the small, this bolt and this brush will come here, one, and another one is here. Now washer and also the brush. not more tight, just tight it, and then it should be like this, and then another one, this one we can't fix it. I have for that we have prepare this hole, and you see the big bolt, and other one, other brush also like this, and we'll put this spring. See, I think you can see it. It should be like this. This two, this one here like this. Okay, now for this we put the small washer, and see the small washer, put this one spring washer, and I found this small bolt. When you do this and you want to break the bolt, you can try this system, this method. Okay, now fix it. Yes. No, it's good. Now this brush, you see, should be like this. So it's like this, and then I'm going to use this nail, steel nail, for stop the spring. Okay, I will do for this also. And you can see this, you see. Yes, yes, it's good. Okay. When you're doing this, easy, but you have to do this like this carefully. Okay, now the commutator, see the armature will be here, but we have one thing to do. We'll put some grease here. not more. And you can see, guys, this washer also important. Okay, see, now it's okay, good. Now we can remove these nails like this, and also you can see the spring. We have to perfectly fit it. I think you can see it. Okay, the last one. Now all fine. Then we have this. We have before the see washer. We put new one here. Okay. And another one. Okay, another one, we'll put it. This is magnet, and then when you put it here, this will try to come out. So we have to hold, and you can see here the mark. This mark should be here. Just right, okay? See my hand? Like this. See, it's straight now. Okay. Seal. Let me see. Mark is straight. Now the motor will mount here. Just I'm cleaning this. Already I cleaned it. You can see, guys, see, this is the big two bolts fitting here, and then also motor mounted here, and o-ring will be in this round. Before we fix, we have to put some grease on the splines. Okay, now the o-ring also. Make sure the o-ring is properly seated, otherwise water or something can leak. Now we can fix the motor. You can see the mark here, and also this mark already same position, but you can see this mark, and also one mark is here. I think you can see it. Okay, let's fix the motor. Yes. Now you can see the mark here, and also one is here. Another thing, other mark, two marks are here. I think you've already I show you the o-ring. One of the o-ring is already fixed here, another one is in the boat, because this is for sealing water. Okay, and then the other one, the o-ring is here, already fixed. See this one. I use 8mm deep socket. Okay. And down one. Okay. Now we have to use hammer. Guys, now I'm going to fix the sorry guys, it's raining outside. I know the mesh is not clear maybe. Now I'm going to fix the motor mount. Okay, there is a 8mm and here a 13mm. Okay, this is come to motor. See here, I think you can see it. Okay. And then now this one is downside. This is coming here. Now I'm tightening the 13mm first. It's good. Now the 8mm. Yes, it's good. Already it's mounted. Now time to fix the power supply wire. Okay, it's coming like this, and then here I will fix this bolt. Okay. Okay guys, now all done. Now I've covered this end. Okay, first I'm now going to start the engine. Let's see. guys, I think it's done. It's worked, right? It's working. So I will fix this. All good. I'll see you in next video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family if you think it's good, a good video. Okay, I know my English is very poor, but I give my best. Okay, thank you.